Hi, this is Laura from the Jocelyn Journey. I thought I'd share something a bit intimate with everybody. I'm going to share my bare seat with you. My bare kitchenette seat cushion, that is. Shh, just not a secret. Kitchen seats in RVs are generally not the most comfortable. Similar to our recliner, the cushions were very soft again. For me, I spend a lot of time at the kitchen table because I'm editing videos. I kind of want something a little bit more comfortable. Instead of completely gutting that area, I decided to go ahead and purchase some new foam. On the Cascade, there are two base cushions. One of them is zippered, so that one's fairly easy to remove the foam and then replace. Look on the back of the seat cushions. They actually give you the full dimensions of each cushion. I used those dimensions to go out to Amazon and pick a super heavy cushion to stay firmer longer. The second cushion does not have a zipper. You really do have to disassemble it, remove the old cushion, and put the new cushion. Oh, dang. That is a lot of staples. Much firmer. Since I'm in the mood to share, I'll also show you my biscuits. freshly made shortbread biscuits. Have a great day.